Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are in the model room. We are going to build a what today, Kelly? What do we have on the bench? Ooh, yes. The SVO. Silver in color, as molded.
Let's open it.
Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Hold on. Let me flip this around so we're not backwards.
Okay, flip it.
Knife, please. We have our tea.
Already got that part.
Cooking. Let's
Steeping.
see.
It's called steeping.
Oh, it's steeping. I'm sorry. I'm just learning the tea gig, guys.
It's steeping.
It's...
Instead of coffee, I was addicted to coffee.
Yes. Like, oh my goodness.
This is so much better for you.
Yes, so, and today I am drinking coffee. I'm sorry, tea.
And I've already...
For the first time. And mine has been steeped.
And it's very good. We have honey in it.
Yes. Let's see what we got here. This sounds a little loose inside. Ooh, it's still in the baggie. Yeah, look at that.
Looky.
Look at that.
Ooh, lots of stuff.
Beautiful. Look at that sweet looking hood.
Why's that got so much stuff in it?
Well, you know.
Is that broke?
No, I think a lot of it's off the tree.
Is that normal?
Yeah, it can be.
Look
I mean, that's an old...
not broke?
No. That's just an old kit. I can't remember, that thing's like 84. I think this come out in 84. Let's see those. Let's see that chromey tree. So we got stock wheels on the side, which we're probably going to put on because I think they look way better than the other ones. And what else got dancing in the box? So we got the old BF Goodrich. We're going to white lighter those because we can.
My windows.
Window? How's the windows look? Not bad. No perforations or deformation.
Yes.
Oh, see? You know, that's the thing I always hate about some of these older
Why
kits.
is that like that, dude?
Well, because the tires sit on them. And they...
Aww.
I know. You know what? We can fix that.
Okay.
Somewhat. To a point.
Ooh, taillights.
Taillights. Anything else in there? More tires. Should have 4. Decal sheet. Okay, let's see that decal sheet. She's a little on the yeller side. So, the cool thing is we can use... Bring me to focus. It's not going to focus. Alright, we can use the Ford logo and the little SVO. We might even put the SVO on the side of the door. Who knows? And we got the destruction sheet.
And look how clever my husband is. He made me a little pin. So I could just stick it right.
Yep, we put it on the wall. And we can look at it so that way the instructions can hang there so that's not in our way on the bench.
I think I'm just going to fold it so it's easier and then unfold it when I need to.
There you go.
It'll probably lay nicer.
Yeah, look at that.
Here.
See? I put one up for myself too over here. And works pretty good. That way, as we're working on it, we don't have the paperwork sitting on the bench.
What's that?
I don't know what we got.
Just something.
Just a little scatolish of chrome. That's okay.
Okay.
So yeah. So she's going to get this opened up and we're going to sort some parts out. And we will go from there. We'll be back. Stay tuned.